Yung
Activist, word activist.
yeah, sort of. Part ng politics. Pag-usapang activist kasi, you're politicizing you're politicizing. On your time, 9 p.m.
Ay, may balita si Obase Gaming. Uy! Guys, may balita si Ken.
Kahit lagi mo ko yung naaway.
Guys.
Ikaw yung nang-aaway sa akin eh.
Hello, Major Burrows.
RE3 na yung lalaruin ko.
And
I will play it a week before the podcast.
pero malay mo. Sige. Kung magpahinga ka na out, sige. Good night.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Sige. Time notes tayo. Tingnan natin kung ilan to.
Yes. Wisit, nakakainis. Yes.
Matagal to hindi na pa. Kaso meron dong hunter sa akalain mo oo, hospital yung lugar na to. So balit. Aba yata tong larong to Good luck, the game was fake, yeah. Okay, here we go. Before I proceed, save ko muna to para sigurado. Magtitik yung timer nito pasabugin. Dito lang talaga yung daan. Just fight. Teka, balik.
Rebecca! Hoy, Rebecca! Saan ka na?
Letter H talaga yung Rebecca niya no? Rebecca!
Okay, let me introduce myself mga kaibigan. Yo, what's up guys? Good evening. This is Dandice and welcome to the live stream.
Malapit na
Now it's time to play some more Resident Evil 3 Nemesis and Tutorico. Okay. Walang kiya. Wait guys sasarak nun to. Sa mga nag-smash ng reaction button, ito, dito muna. Ito.
Kasi tend to feel very restrictive when I play Dino Crisis. Parang freedom ako
Okay. Malapit na ako matapos ako. Wait.
I don't know Aim for the head. Oh my god.
They still get copyright claim for, I don't know. And it's just a Digimon game, like it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, a post. I hardly use Facebook. What the hell?
Yeah, the checkpoint. Experience. But here's a good idea. What if you try to bounce something back? Bounce something? Ah. I was after that one up. Dexter and Digitamer 43. Then sino pa nandito? Anak ni Mayor Gaming. Thanks for dropping by. Happy viewing and learn. Mali! Malapit na sana yun, oh.
Looking good.
Okay, here we go. Mandar na ang tren.
I'm not sure why the hell this Ayami running like this. Is she in?
Ayan na. Hindi ako yung dumikit. Nakakuha ka ng switch sa... Okay. Okay, that's it. Wala. Oo nga, no, may save point nga. Thanks. Or it's just me na hindi ko talaga matandaan.
This is just the beginning.
My God has protected you.
Yo, Tito Jordy. Paposin na natin to. Tigtas ko na si Peach.
Back.
Everybody wants.
Ano? Everybody shit.
Anong do the rock what everybody wants? Ano ibig sabihin?
Oh! No, I can't! Hindi pwede. Teka. Bago ako umalis dito. Makes sense.
Pero yeah, magkakaroon nga ng civil war ng bloodline sa WWE. That's how I see talaga, magkakaroon ng civil war talaga.
May pinakita lang si Jay ng mga death scenes na ano. Tangina mo
Yes, Gaming, thanks for smashing like. Okay.
Hindi naman sa maarte ako sa wrestling, pero I just don't like it kung puro flips and ano lang nakikita ko sa wrestling. Kung puro ganun lang palagi nakikita ko. Kasi nagiging boring siya eh.
Gatling gun?
It gets boring.
Bullet bill. Pamatayan, huwag kang didikit yan. Unlike other tornadoes, yung may mata ang delikado! Yun, nice.
Ano sinabi mo?
Yun!
I-joke lang.
Let's go.
That's not the correct one. So I need to find another key. Promise.
Ale, 1,
Kasi tignan nyo guys, kung if we actually had this kung may mga nuclear power plants na tayo dito, wala na kayo makikita ang mga live wires sa yung sa mga kalsada, sa mga post.
Oh, this is awkward. Wow!
Oh shit, di ko pala tapos dito sa stage na to.
This is gonna be the hardest stage yet so far.
As in may nag-resting bullet train, tignan mo, matatawa ka talaga. Alam ko yung sinasabi mo, pero sometimes wala talaga nanonood ng mga ganyan.
Okay.
Oh, pwede ko lagyan ng open parenthesis tsaka
Ayun, may bala.
Yung double coat, di ba?
Alam ko na
Parang
password
boxingero
ito.
talaga eh, no?
Mali. Oh my god! I must grab that! Hindi ko na pala kailangan umakyat. Bumaba na pala ako. Bumaba ako. Tapos didiretso na ako sa Okay.
The only reason na alam ko ang ending niyan dahil kay Jin.
I am the suck master.
panahong cellphone streamer pa si Gingerbread.
Ay! Wala, GG talaga.
Oo, yung before siya talaga nag-transition to P.
Oh, it is a watch. Okay, let's go for the big point.
Di na alam yung joke eh. Di na alam yung joke, kaya ano na lang eh, ginawa ng history. Wala, may umutot ba?
Edgar Diaz, thanks for smashing like.
Naka-stream ka pa rin ba? Ano? Dan Dice?
Oh,
Helldivers ka Dan? Dan?
wala akong Helldivers. However,
yung ano man yan, any acid belts that you have right now, save it for later.
pwede ko na yung first aid spray. Total, di naman rango habol ko eh.
Oo. Tapos,
Ano, although si Ayame speedy type siya, no? Speedy type si Ayame, but the problem with her is that mas maliit yung niya, mas maliit yung radius niya. She has much.
Where's that Hungry Luma? I know! There's Hungry Luma somewhere.
Kapagkat
Pwesto,
niya
bibigyan pa kita ng ibang kakainisan. Gusto mo ba ng iba pang kakainisan?
Ano?
Bawat makaka-copyright ako. Pero salamat sa pag-drop by JBT. Ang ganda ng kanta mo ah. Laklak.
Website.
RE 1.5 para may Ezra Walker. Yo,
Oh!
Combined agent.
US agent naman yun eh. Boo!
Ano to, naging busy lang kasi kailangan mo kung mag-report kay...
Right. Matanong ko lang guys, bakit mukha siyang Spencer Mansion, no?
Not where am I? Okay na yung tombstone, hihimlay na lang ako. Dag.
Just keep sorry. You were talking. And when it reaches zero, the planet observers will regain full power and fly as a starship again. And then we were able to reach the density.
Itong larong pa.
Kain na kayo ng dinner mga bakla, sabi ni Alice. Oo, kakain kami pero ikaw ang dinner. Papayag ka ba?
Tagwa.
Oo. Off.
I've been waiting from you. I've been watching you from here. This place is called the Gateway to the Starry Sky.
Limutan ko na.
bukas.
Okay, here we go.
Absolutely shameless. Wait, it's a superpower! What the fuck?
I have found the evidence I need to prove that the cannibal disease indeed happened in the city. One man actually ate people to death. He was like a
Parang
savage
dyan lang yung
animal
update
prairie
niya.
goer.
Kasi
Karakter ko.
Kasi nung una ko laro niya sa Peson, kumukuha pa ako ng ink ribbon.
It was completely
Walang ink ribbon si Jill?
I heard rumors that
Ayos
many
ah.
people are suffering from the disease. However,
I enjoyed this game. Oh, you have played this before. This big complete. And by the way, Ashley, long time no see there. Bye, Dry Bones! Yun, safe landing. Let's see. Thanks for the tip, Toad.
And your freaking sense.
oh my god! Papunta na ako sa train, kakalabanin ko pa yung uod. Oh my god.
Naghirap pa ako. Maybe he's bottom. Pinahirapan mo sarili mo.
Who the fuck is she hitting? What the?
Pusang gala. I need to get rid of them.
Ilang C27 buong stage? Sana all.
Okay.
Ayan, live direct pala si Kat.
Nope, I will not play that speedrun. I'll proceed. Out. No, 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 I don't want. Thank you.
Alam mo yung story nito, ano?
Oh my god.
Are you telling me that he injected the G-Virus into his own body?
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Imagine a very muscular dude singing that.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Wait a minute. Where should I get that green star? Mr. Cypher, is this the green star you're talking about? What is he? Pause ko na yung game.
You're safe. Down here!
Ako, so hindi mo na pinatay si Nemesis, ano?
It's finally over. Huh?
Or not!
Ay, si ano pala yun? Si Jonathan Coachman pala yun. You manga!
Buhay pa ba yung JBL na yan?
Buhay na buhay pa yun.
Adam, I'm warning you. What did I tell? Dan Kaiser! Di ko pa natapos yan. Wala pa ako sa stage yan. Astig. Mamma mia!
Alam mo yung tipong ano? Gusto ko siyang patayin without damage, tapos lagi ako nadadamage. Kahit nagpa-block na ako.
Yung mama ko, nag-iingay, maingay.
Alam ko tong graveyard na to. Mukhang madali yata malobat tong controller na to, ah. There are times I will... Yeah, kunin ko yan. Kunin ko yan. Sayang yung coins! Sayang yung coins! Sayang yung coins! Hello and goodbye. I can get as many extra lives as I can. Oh. Nakuha ko na yung item before dyan. Ayos ha. Will be gone? Is it true? Whoa. Whoa. Looks like I need to...
Yun. Nice.
Check ko nga ulit yung Norfair. Makes sense!
Pero yeah, magkakaroon nga ng civil war ng Bloodline sa WWE. That's how I see talaga, magkakaroon ng civil war talaga.
Ay, loko ka. Teka. May jumping platform. Freeze flame. Wow. Yeah.
Ako, walang ano yan. Mixer. Wala, meron na. Wala na yata akong mixer dito. Ay, oo nga pala no. Hindi pala nag-auto-reload ng ano. Oo nga no.
Si Annette Birkin, si Kendo, at si Marvin. Wow.
Kilala mo siya na si Kendo Birkin.
Alam ko na. Ilunor out ko sila dito. Maybe that big coin will help. By the time na merong bagong Pokemon game. Basta yun, may pole. Dami yun. Putik ka. Kulay dilaw. Yan. There's the time. Lang hiya. Naghirap pa ako.
Nainis na kasi walang quick turn. Dahil wala.
Yo, Jubio Jardox sa pagsi Alvidor sa Pasanoxer Gaming. Thanks for the share.
All I'm gonna say is to you,
You're fired, Doctor.
Mahirap yung ano ni Kermit the Frog, yung boss niya. Kermit the Crab na lang kaya.
Kaya pa naging okay, gets ka na. Okay. Okay, back to the game.
First that we may rely on you in the future.
Naiintindihan sa sinabi mo, Lance, what?
I know I screwed up, however.
Ano yun? Ay, wala ako sinabi sa...
Pwede mga buksan yung parehong pinto, kunin yung item, yeah.
Langya talaga to si Dodans, ang nonsense ng joke.
That way we can keep in touch if something comes up.
Ba alam mo yung story nito? Ano?
Oh my God.
Are you telling me that he injected the G-Virus into his own body?
Mali ako. Akin lang. May pattern to. Backflip, yeah.
The brother of for no apparent reason.